Number 1. Labrador Retriever. What is the cost of Labrador puppy? Cost of Labrador puppy is starting from 4,000 to 10,000 rupees and Labrador dog is starting from 10,000 to 85,000 rupees. Color of Labrador are brown, yellow and black. Number 2. Golden Retriever. Golden Retriever are friendly to strangers and family. They are a family dog. Cost of Golden Retriever puppy is starting from 12,000 rupees up to 40,000 rupees and Golden Retriever dog is starting from 30,000 to 40,000 rupees. Colors of Golden Retriever are dark brown, brown, light brown and cream. Number 3. Siberian Huskies. Siberian Huskies are very cute and friendly dogs. They can't live in very hot climates. Colors of Siberian Husky are white and brown, white and grey, white and black and white. Siberian Husky puppy price in India 2020 is starting from 5,000 up to 60,000 rupees. Number 4. German Shepherds. German Shepherds are dangerous and playful dogs. They are ranked 7th in dangerous dog breed. Colors of German Shepherd are white, black and red and black. German Shepherd price in India is starting from 15,000 up to 25,000 rupees. Number 5. Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherds are family dogs. They were used to herd sheep. Colors of Australian Shepherd are red tricolor, black tricolor and red. Cost of Australian Shepherd puppy in India is starting from 35,000 up to 45,000 rupees. Number 6. Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Mastiff is very big and dangerous dog. It is very dangerous, so few countries ban Tibetan Mastiff. Cost of Tibetan Mastiff is starting from 1 lakh of 0.1 million up to crores or billion. Colors of Tibetan Mastiff is black, red and brown. Number 7. Pug. Pugs are small sized dog and friendly. Their tail are curved and they are lazy. Colors of pug is black and peach. Pug puppy price in India is starting from 9,000 up to 16,000 rupees. Number 8. Doberman. Doberman are police dogs. They are dangerous. They can smell and find things. Colors of Doberman are black, brown and white. Cost of Doberman is starting from 5,000 up to 16,000 rupees. 9. Toy Pomeranian. Toy Pomeranian are cute and very small. They are very small that they can be fitted in cup. Colors of Toy Pomeranian are black, orange and white. Cost of Toy Pomeranian is 12,000 rupees. Number 10. Pomeranians. Pomeranian are small sized dogs. They are very cute and have curved tails. Colors of Pomeranian are black, orange and white. Cost of Pomeranian dog is starting from 5,000 up to 15,000 rupees. Number 11. Rottweiler. Rottweiler are medium-sized dogs. They are aggressive and dangerous. They have only one owner. Colors of Rottweiler are black and brown. Cost of Rottweiler is starting from 18,000 up to 25,000 rupees. Number 12. Chow Chow. Chow Chow is medium-sized dog. Chow Chow are aggressive dog breed and dangerous also. Colors of Chow Chow are white, blue and black. Cost of Chow Chow puppy is starting from 30,000 up to 50,000 rupees. Number 13. Chihuahua. Chihuahua are small-sized dogs. These dogs are friendly and be good for family, but they are aggressive. Colors of Chow Chow. They can be found in any color. Cost of Chihuahua puppy is starting from 4,000 up to 25,000 rupees. Number 14. American Bull. American Bull are medium-sized dogs. They are playful, loyal and dangerous also. Colors of American Bull are red, black and brown. Cost of American Bull are starting from 40,000 up to 80,000 rupees. Number 15. French Bulldog. French Bulldog are family dog and friendly. They can be dangerous to small animals and dogs. Colors of French Bulldog are peach, black, white and black. French Bulldog puppy price in India 2020 is starting from 70,000 up to 75,000 rupees. Number 16. Bull Terrier. Bull Terrier are good family dog, but they are very dangerous. They can kill a person if they decided. Colors of Bull Terrier are brown and white, black and white and white. Cost of Bull Terrier is starting from 35,000 up to 75,000 rupees. Number 17. Pit Bull. Pit Bull are very dangerous dog, not for family. They lift almost 3,628 kg for 60 seconds. They could kill a person if you will not give attention to them. Colors of Pit Bull are blue, brown and red. Cost of Pit Bull puppy is starting from 9,000 up to 80,000 rupees. Number 18. Great Dane. Great Dane are not for family. They are very dangerous dogs. Colors of Great Dane are brown, black and light brown. Cost of Great Dane puppy is starting from 35,000 up to 40,000 rupees. Number 19. Indian Mastiff. Indian Mastiff are good dogs. They are not for family because of their huge size. Colors of the Indian Mastiff is that they can be found in any color. Cost of Indian Mastiff in India is 5,000 up to 20,000 rupees. Number 20. Terrier Collie. Terrier Collie are family dog and protect their family from strangers. Colors of Border Collie are black and white, yellow and white. Cost of Border Collie is starting from 20,000 up to 35,000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like.